Come my little ones, let's take a walk. I want to tell you a very special story today.
Yes, Dad, please tell us. Dad, can you tell us the story of Surah Yusuf?
It's a story of patience, faith, and how Allah's plan is always the best. It's the story of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him. A long, long time ago, in a land filled with green hills and tall trees, there lived a kind, handsome, and faithful boy named Yusuf. He was the beloved son of a noble prophet, Yaqub, and he had 11 brothers. One morning, little Yusuf came running to his father.
Dear father, I saw a dream, the sun, the moon, and 11 stars. They were all bowing down to me.
Prophet Yaqub listened carefully and said, My dear son, that is a very special dream. Allah has chosen you, but don't tell your brothers. They might feel jealous, but sadly, Yusuf's brothers were already feeling jealous. They saw how much their father loved him. So one day, they made a terrible plan. They said,
Let Yusuf come play with us.
Though Prophet Yaqub was unsure, he let Yusuf go. But far from home, the brothers threw Yusuf into a deep, dark well. Poor Yusuf sat alone in the cold water, afraid and sad. But do you know what he did? He prayed and said,
Oh Allah, I know you are with me.
Later that day, a group of travelers passed by the well. They looked inside and were surprised to find a boy. They pulled him out and took him all the way to Egypt. In Egypt, Yusuf became a servant in the house of a noble man. Even far from home, he stayed honest, clean, and kind. One day, the nobleman's wife tried to trick him, but Yusuf said firmly, I seek protection in Allah. Even though he was innocent, he was sent to prison. But in prison, he didn't complain. He helped others. He taught them about Allah. Then one night, the king of Egypt had a strange dream. 7 fat cows were eaten by 7 thin ones, 7 green ears of corn, and 7 dry ones. No one could explain it, except Yusuf, he said. There will be 7 good years, then 7 hard ones. You must store food during the good years. The king was amazed. He said, Bring me Yusuf. Yusuf was taken out of prison and made the chief of the food stores, from prisoner to a trusted leader of Egypt. Years passed. One day, Yusuf's brothers came to Egypt to buy food. They didn't know it was Yusuf, but he knew them. He tested them with kindness, and when he saw they had changed, he said gently, I am Yusuf, your brother. The brothers were shocked and asked for forgiveness. He said, No blame on you today. May Allah forgive you. He's the most merciful. Later, Yusuf's parents and all his brothers came to live with him in Egypt. They all bowed down to Yusuf in respect, just like in his dream from long ago. The sun his father, the moon his mother, and 11 stars his brothers had bowed to him, just like he saw as a child. Allah had turned a sad story into a beautiful one, from the bottom of a dark well to the throne of Egypt.
I love that story. Yusuf was so patient and kind. I will have beautiful patience.
Always remember, never let jealousy break your family. Love your siblings.
ورفع أبويه على العرش وخروا له سجدا وقال يا أبت هذا تأويل رؤياي من قبل قد جعلها ربي حقا وقد أحسن بي إذ أخرجني من السجن وجاء بكم من البدو من بعد أن نزغ الشيطان بيني وبين إخوتي إن ربي لطيف لما يشاء